Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we're back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we take your requests and recreate them with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This week we took Tika's, sorry if we're butchering your name, but Tika Vest's request. She wanted to see a Marlowe sweetheart table. Her budget was between $200 and $400. So we're going to get into the design later, but Emily can let you know what products we used.
So here is a little bit of her inspo photo. She did have a round table in her inspo photo. We are, fingers crossed, working on getting a round table. And the only products we used were 1 grand Marlowe centerpiece, 1 large Marlowe centerpiece, 2 standard Marlowe centerpieces, 1 Marlowe Garland, 1 Marlowe Swag, and 1 set of our new pink Tanger Votives. These are our premium Votives, and they come in a set of 9 for $24. So go check those out.
Oh, no tools needed?
No.
Just a few products. Probably takes you under 5 minutes to really put this together.
Yeah.
You're really just placing everything. So that's all. Let's get into it. First, we're going to start with a grand centerpiece. Place it at the base of the table, and then we'll take our large centerpiece and place it right next to it.
Then we'll take our standard centerpiece, 2 of those, and place them. Do we do them sideways?
I kind of did them not. Yeah. The idea is to have it go from like tall to small and like kind of ombre out. So then we'll do a garland. At the base to cover the vases.
This is the part that ties it all together.
Truly.
And then we have
for tuck it all together.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Okay. We could have done a Marlowe Swag.
Let's do one.
Okay.
Scratch it.
Scratch. We're not doing an aisle marker cluster because we're going to do a swag. And 4 swags basically equal, 4 aisle markers basically equal a swag. And the Marlowe Collection has a swag. So, duh, we'll use a swag.
Lastly, we are going to add the swag like Abby said. Fluff it up.
Yeah, again, our swags can be used in a variety of ways. This way, we're just going to lay it flat on a table, obviously. There's no vase, so it just sits really flat.
Yes.
And then you can just kind of fluff the flowers forward, and it looks really pretty. Okay, finishing touches are the votives. So these are new votives we just launched whenever this airs, we just launched these. And they are premium votives. The material is thicker. They come with this premium LED candle. They have a 6-hour timer. When you turn it on, you'll be able to see it.
Yeah.
It is a realistic flicker. The flame realistically flickers, so it looks legit.
They are legit.
They are legit. Look how nice and good quality that is. It comes with convenient packaging, so whoever's returning knows exactly how to return them.
So we have custom foam inserts where the candles go in, and they each come just sitting in there, so they don't they're not thrown around. But yeah, I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
Look at the pink.
I know the pink looks really good with Marlowe. And these premium votives rent as a set of 9 for $24. So still a pretty good price. And like, if you're going to buy these, what are you going to do with them after the wedding?
Right.
Try and sell them? That's a headache.
Headache for sure.
So just rent them.
And they just add a little touch of elegance, I feel. Yeah. They just spice it up.
The pink looks so good with Marlowe.
We're doing 4. I have 1 left. You can definitely, like, once you get these sets, you can spread them and split them up how you want, which is the beauty of it, because you'll have 9 in 1 set. So if you want 1 table to have 3, if you want 3 tables to have 3, that's 1 set there. So
they're great to sprinkle in the bar area, gift tables, anything where you want a touch of romantic candlelight.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're done. Here is
that easy.
The finished product.
So quick.
Very quick.
Yeah.
Beautiful, impactful sweetheart table for just under $400.
And that's a sleigh if I have ever heard of one.
Yep. Hey everyone, and that was it. A super simple sweetheart table with the Marlowe collection for just under $400. I believe it came out to $382 was the final cost.
Yes.
So super easy to recreate. Like we said before, you're literally just placing the products, fluffing them up a bit, and then you're done.
Yeah. This video and you want to see more, or you want to submit your own request, to submit your request in the description, there will be a form to fill out. You can put your inspo picture, which is the most important, your collection, the budget, where you want to decorate, and if you don't have a collection yet, we can help you choose one if you put your color. So yeah, but if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.